All right. Are you ready for weather? One thing about living in Idaho, because that's where we live in the state of Idaho. Our weather is crazy. Okay. So, especially during springtime, like right now, it's beautiful and sunny outside. And then an hour later, all these major storm clouds could come in, and the wind blows, and it rains, and sometimes it even snows when it's night, when it's been nice outside. So I consider our Idaho weather crazy. Okay, so we've talked about this a few times in preschool. We have, who can tell me what number this is? You got it, it's the number 4. And there's lots of you that are this number. Okay, so there are 4 seasons in a year. When we first started preschool, who remembers all of the leaves on the trees started to turn brown, red, orange, yellow, and brown? And then what happened? They fell off the tree. So that was called fall. So that's one season. After fall came, what was all of that white stuff that fell out of the sky? You got it, the snow. Okay, and is snow cold or hot? It's freezing cold. And then, now I want you to look outside. The snow is all gone. The birds are chirping. The flowers are starting to pop out of the ground. So today I do want you to go out and see how many different colors of flowers are on the ground, and if there's any leaves, buds starting to be on your trees, because in those little buds, the leaves come out. So that means it's springtime. I love springtime. It's so great. So after springtime, it even gets better. The sun gets really hot. We get to go to the icy stands, and we get to wear our swimsuit a lot. Okay, and that is called summer. Who loves summer? I do. Okay, so that's the seasons. So in our weather, we talk about, okay, so summertime and spring, we have lots of what? Sunshine, okay? And then fall time, this is supposed to be the windy cloud. The wind brings coldness, and that starts to dry out the leaves, and then they turn colors and they fall off. After that, then there is winter. Is that a big, beautiful snowflake? It is. And then in the spring, in order to turn everything beautiful and green again and have the flowers pop out of ground, we need lots of what? You got it, we need lots of rain. But we need lots of rain with lots of sunshine, okay? So what we're going to do is you are going to color your weather wheel. So weather, what, and the wheel, what. So some of you, if you're just brand new to scissors, this is really hard to cut in a circle, but Miss Kim has her scissors, and I'm gonna cut with you real quick. So when we have our scissors, who remembers which direction our thumb goes? Does it go up to the sky? It does. We don't want to twist our wrist and hold it like that, because it kind of makes your arm hurt, and this way is easier. So Miss Kim is going to get her paper with her other hand, and then I'm going to use my eyes to watch. So my eyes are watching where my scissors are, and I'm trying to stay on the black line. And if I go off the black line like this, it's just an oopsie-daisy. So then we want to come back over. Alligator chomp, alligator chomp, chomp, chomp. Who can say it while I finish? Alligator chomp, alligator chomp, 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 chomp. Okay, do I have my weather wheel? I do. So then I put one of these little pins in it. And if you need your mommy's help, or your daddy's, or your brother or sister's help, you're gonna pop it in there. And all of these letters on here, it says, ask me about today's weather. But can our weather change all day, every day? It can. So if you want to put it on your fridge, then you can decide what type of weather it is. So right now at Miss Kim's house, it is beautiful and sunny, and that can change. So sometimes throughout the day, you might get to spin your wheel a lot. So have fun with this, and have a really great weekend. And I wish I could see your face on Tuesday, but I can't. So you get to see my face, and I miss you so, so, so much. Have fun with your weather wheel, and I will see you on Tuesday.